So one day we were at home and Jerome's co-worker called and said we rented a van and we're going on a road trip. So we get up and we get ready and we went. At this point we were driving through a mountain, but whenever you catch it good, me that just see mountain back away.
Sailing fast.
So we got there after 4 in the evening and most people were already leaving, but that never matter. We would come this far. We could stay the course. Plus we never come to see them. And most of the crowd would have left, so it would have been more space for us. And it was also raining. It started raining when we were almost there, but by the time we reached, the rain kind of cut and everything was good again. So it's a bit overcast, but yeah, this is England. When is it not overcast? We used to it by now. My dear, as I say, rain did a fall and the place overcast, so you know what that means. It was very chilly, so I never take off my jacket, nor my shirt, nor nothing else. I was very much into all of my clothes same way. But yeah, this is the beach with actual sand, not pebbles. Now the tide was low, so all of this water supposed to be there, but it's not there because the tide is low. So we walked all the way out to meet the water.
It's cool, man. It's cold? Yeah. Enjoy it. No, it's cold. Go, baby. You're taking up the water. Probably just on the out for that one.
I want to close on it. You know, sometimes on top full and then below it.
Probably have to go out now.
No, I'm not going to.
But then say, if you're not dip your head, you're not going to warm up. You know what I'm from? It's Daddy! This is Daddy! Jamari, say careful, Daddy.
At this point we were hungry, so we decided to go and walk and try to find a McDonald's or something and get something to eat. Mr. Squirrel look like him did want to choose violence and me not it, so me just go and walk in front of him. But then we came up on this nice little bird sanctuary or something, and yeah, we just look what in there. Couple chicken, couple parrot, couple all kind of bird, just birds.
Look for the real one, them. Find a big one or so. How will you?
Baby, it's cold. Okay. Come in.
On our way back, we took some time to just admire nature, the little streams, the plants, and all of that Bournemouth had to offer. And then we went back to the seaside.
You so impressed?
Guys, I'm not lie, the water is actually cold. Cold away. It's a no. What is it?
No, it's too cold. It's too cold.
So when we got back to the beach, we took a few pictures, changed off our clothes, took a few pictures, and then we headed home. These are my shots. Yeah, you can book me. Anyhow, we left there about 9:30, and you'll see our drive home. See you in the next one.